Titan 0 Hour First 500M Diver's Watch. Main features are Titan 0 Hour 500M Professional Diver's Watch is first ISO 6425 certified professional diving instrument. As the flagship of Titan's new high-performance sub-brand, 0 Hour, this automatic timepiece is a limited edition with only 500 units available per variant. Water resistance, professional grade at 500 meters, 50 ATM meeting rigorous ISO 6425 standards for overpressure, thermal shock, and saltwater resistance. Movement, powered by Titan's in-house automatic caliber 7X Aero, which operates at 28,800 vibrations per hour, 4 Hz, with an accuracy of 10 plus 30 seconds per day. Case and build, a 44.2 mm Grade 2 titanium case with a thickness of 15.5 mm, designed for extreme durability and lightweight comfort. Aqua Bezel Lock, a 120-click unidirectional bezel with a specialized locking mechanism to prevent accidental shifts underwater. Helium escape valve protects the watch's structural integrity during decompression from deep-sea dives. Legibility, bold hands and indices coated in Swiss Superluminova X1 grade, emitting a blue-green glow. Crystal, scratch-resistant sapphire crystal with a triple-layer anti-reflective coating. Variants, available in 2 main versions, including a blue dial with a silver titanium bracelet and a black dial option. Each watch comes with both a Grade 2 titanium bracelet and an additional high-grade FKM rubber strap.